Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvanele so I'm back again with indaba regarding ama-transfer news ala kwi-PSL. Amathima amaningi ayathenga, amathima amaningi ayachitha, engabe yakho yenze njani? Kuyindaba la iphuma izolo kuthiwa iMagesi FC sichithe abadlali abawu-10. Abadlali abawu-10 menikhumbula kahle ke iMagesi isathanda kudedela ucoach wabo bafethu. Njoba nje ichithe laba badlali abawu-10 kubalwa khona uGift Motuba, uNeverdie Makhubela, uDiolon Mekowa, mase kuba uRoland Manzini, Amos Mokwena, Bokanyi Komane, Moke Matlakala, Anathi Ngwadla, Given Mashikinya and Menzi Ndwando. Yabo ibona abadlali laba abawu-10 abadedelwe iMagesi FC. Amathima amaningi adedela ngempela, asazi ukuthi iziphi indlela abazokwazi ukusurvive ngakhona, but ke amathima amaningi vele la ku-Betway Premiership banayo leyo mentality yokulanda abadlali, mhlawumbe i-team i-squad sisodwa sibe nabadlali abawu-30 plus players. Akusiyona i-mentality right leyo, but ke mase ubheka ku-Betway Premiership amathima amaningi uyashawa ilento leyo ukuthi abadlali basheshe balimale. Yabo kulimala kwabadlali asinabo odokotela abaningi abazokwazi ukukhipha labadlali laba bebe fit. Yabo ingakho amathima amaningi opta to sign more players to boost up their squad to prevent izinto ezifana njengama-injury. But ke ngiyathanda ukubona into kanjena bafethu abadlali abawu-10 bakhishwe iMagesi FC, maybe banayo plan yokusurvive, but ke izinto ezikanje zidinga i-risk management. Yiphi i-risk management onayo? Kwezinye zey'ndaba bafethu uSkokhona United seshaya ama-contract extensions. Yabo ama-contract extensions la abadlali abawu-5 abadlalele eSkokhona United, okubalwa khona uLinda Mtambo, uOhizu, uDaniel Kadoso, noVusmusi Ncube, noTresa Chibwabwa. Yabo umdlali wangaphandle ke lo bafethu. Yabo so baqinisa ngempela abadlali abanje ngoLinda Mtambo noDaniel Kadoso bazoletha leyo experience leyo. Yabo akusibona abadlali ngabavela ubadedele noma kanjani, ba-add experience kwi-squad. Labadlali abasha bazoba welcome, bazobanikeza ulwazi ukuthi how do you manage i-team njengeSkokhona United. Vele bajida badlale kahle last season. Iskokhona idlale kahle last season. This season I expect iskokhona sikwazi ukuchallenge for i-top 2, sikwazi ukuchallenge maybe for i-league asas. We will see. Kwezinye zey'ndaba first, the Congolese Giants TP Mazembe have shown interest in signing the former Orlando Pirates defender Chippa United uJustice Chabalala. Asazi-ke noma uChabalala uzovuma yini ukujoyina iChippa Mazembe. TP Mazembe bafethu enye yama-team le yayidlala ngempela bafethu, angazi kwenzakalani ngeTP Mazembe. TP Mazembe yayishisa bafethu, yayishisa le team, but ke selawa elihle kakhulu. Kuthiwani selapha elihle kakhulu, but ke umjida bafethu ngenzeka ujoyina iTP Mazembe bafethu. Ithuba leli elikhulu kakhulu. Yabo kuney'ndaba ade yi-circulator regarding uBonganisem, the former Orlando Pirates right back bafethu. Bekuthiwa i-contract yakhe between yena neKaizer Chiefs isiterminatiwe, kanti cha ayiterminatewanga i-contract yakhe neKaizer Chiefs. Iyasho la i-agent yakhe ukuthi cha i-contract yakhe isakhona manje, usalele u2 years kwi-contract yakhe. Umjida uBonganisem uyatraina ne-team right now. Asazi-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs isengayiterminate i-contract yakhe, but ke okwamanje umjida usatraina neKaizer Chiefs, contract yakhe isa-active with iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo but yena akimbone edlalela uNabi. La season akadlala ngisho igame eyodwa, wafika vele kwiKaizer Chiefs elimele. Yabo uyi-injury prone umdlali mfethu, so I don't think uzosurvive kuleli windi lela. I think naye bazomchitha, but ke i-agent yakhe ishilo ukuthi amampunge lawa ade show abantu kuthiwa umjida usehambile kwiKaizer Chiefs. Okwamanje usajima with main team. Kuyindaba engisathanda kuyithola kuthiwa uSepombule usayine unyaka owodwa with the-Orlando Pirates with an option of 2 more years kwi-contract yakhe. Yabo so nje i-Orlando Pirates ngokwamanye amazwi kuthiwe nje mjida sokuneza unyaka owodwa, meke wabheda wenza lezi zinto zakho zokuphuza utshwala sakudedela. I think ilona thuba leli akumele ayibonakalise khona uSepombulu, kumele alisebenzise because Orlando Pirates akusiyona i-team ekwaziyo ukugcina umdlali ongenzi kahle. Meke wangenza nje kahle ku-Orlando Pirates bakubeka le kuma-stand noma baxosha. Orlando Pirates abakusiyona le team le ethanda ukunesa ama-feelings wama-players. Umdlali uma engayihloniphi i-management, uma engayihloniphi i-institution, umdlali uyahamba uyohlala kuma-stands noma i-contract yakhe terminate. So Orlando Pirates emnikeze 1 year uSiphombule ukuthi ayibonakalise ukuthi udlala kanjani. Mewadlala kahle kulo 1 year lo bazoyi umjida uzothola i-option ya 2 years with Orlando Pirates. Yabo I hope umjida uzodlala kahle, ayibonakalise, ajabulise ama-owners. Yabo siyafuna ukumbona phela uSiphombule ehlala noma 3 seasons ku-Orlando Pirates. Asikwazi ukuthi umjida adlale 1 season yabo mase kuphelele lo season singasamboni ingafani nje ngoKapinga. Remember uKapinga with Orlando Pirates, I feel like uKapinga they gave uKapinga the same deal they gave uSipho Mbuli yabo. Kwesinye seyindaba ibafana bafana iChen bafana njobe iyodlala iChen nje ibafana bafana iB team iyodlala against iAlgeria ngomhla 8 August mase kuthi ngomhla ka11 August idlale against iGuinea mase kuthi ngomhla ka15 August idlala against iNiger mase kuthi ngomhla 18 August idlale against iUganda yabo iwona ke le iChen tournament le ezobi hostiwe le isquad sebafana sikakakhishwa esohamba siyomela ibafana bafana lapha izohamba siyomela iSouth Africa lapha nabafethu yabo le tournament ayidumile ngaleyo ndlela but ke inikeza abadlali abangalithola ithuba kubafana bafana ukuthi bayibonakalise la yabo njalo abadlali ade bedlala nje kwiCOSAF bibona imost yabo ibona bazobikwa ukuthi bayodlala la. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumene namhlanje kuthiwa uKesha Ismailula will not play for Wydad Casablanca kwisizini entsha umjito uhambile namhlanje after leaving a statement ke bafethu esidabukisa kakhulu umjito ubefuna ukuqhubeka kude Wydad Casablanca but ke Wydad Casablanca ayimnikezanga icontracts entsha ukuthi aqhubeke adlale with Wydad yabo. Kwezinye izindaba engiyitholayo la kuthiwa Richards Bay FC have parted ways with an attacker uSibonise Ncongco with his contract terminated ahead of the start of the season entsha yabo umjita icontract yakhe terminatiwe ngeke asadlalela iRichards Bay FC. iRichards Bay FC iyareshaflisha impela angazi kwenzakalani behind the scenes iRichards Bay FC. Siningi izinto ezenzakalayo behind the scenes because namhlanje kubonakale uGabade Nomhango ejima with iRichards Bay FC. uGabade Nomhango the former Orlando Pirates striker and the former Marimo Gallants striker useyijoinile bafethu iRichards Bay FC njengoba ngangishilo ukuthi uzoyijoina vele yabo. uThabani Zoko also signed from iGolden Arrows umdlali komunye lo osayinwe iRichards Bay FC usuka kwiGolden Arrows mase kuthi umxolisi Macupho useyishiyile iclub yabo useyishiyile iRichards Bay FC. Thabiso Kotumela is another player engakhuluma ngayo owadedelwa iRichards Bay FC ulinked with iChippa United. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu asephumile ama dates ePSL 2025-2026 season yabo ama dates ke nje ephumile nje icompetition yokuqala ezodlalwa iPSL nje season izoqala nje kuzoqala iMTN izodlala ngomhla ka1 August mase kuthi iBetway Premiership iqale ngomhla ka8 August ke bafethu. So iwona ama dates lawo asaphumile okwamanje ngisawatholile but basazosinikeza a full schedule ukuthi ama games azoqala kanjani adlalwe kanjani ama fixtures ama dates ama fixtures into kanjalo but okwamanje igame yokuqala iMTN izodlala ngomhla ka1 mase kuthi igame yokuqala iBetway Premiership idlala ngomhla ka8 August. Kunayindaba engiyitholayo la kuthiwa ine club entsha esifikile kwi-race yokusayina uKarim Gumvudu Orlando Pirates imidfielder ke lebafethu elinked with iSimba SC. Kune club ke sengenile kuthiwa iJS Kabili yabo nayo iyamfuna uKarim Gumvudu. There is another midfielder linked with the Orlando Pirates bafethu uSaidio Kanoto ona 28 years old. Umjita ke bafethu udlala eswini asazi udlala iposition but umjita udlala eswini. Mase ubheka ama midfielders Orlando Pirates now right now maningi kakhulu yabo kuyamangaza but ke Orlando Pirates is linked with another midfielder. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uManuel Sapunga has declined the contract extension with iPolokwane FC to pursue a move to Sekhukhune United. His current deal with the Rise and Shine expires ngoJune 30, 2025. So umjida akafuna ukuqhubeka adlalela iPolokwane City ufuna ukujoin iSekhukhune United. iSekhukhune siya recruiter right now yabo. Kwezinye izindaba engiyithole namhlanje kuthiwa iStellenbosch FC sesiphathe ways with uShakir Ahmed lo mdlali lo bafethu ubedlala kweDecide yeStellenbosch FC yabo uyena mjito ubedlala lapho uyintwana seKaizer Chiefs. Umjito right now say free agent uShakir Ahmed. The South African right back Umhleli Mabuza agreed terms with the Portuguese side iAmora FC after his trial stint with the Kaizer Chiefs ended without a formal offer. iKaizer Chiefs ayimsayinanga kumjita ubezoshaya ama trial iKaizer Chiefs esuka le Portugal but ke iKaizer Chiefs ibonile ukuthi cha akusiyena lo umdlali esingamsebenzisa kule season entsha ezoqala with iKaizer Chiefs. So iKaizer Chiefs ibheke elsewhere yabo